Hi, in today's video we'll talk about how to qualify for Jojb Corps. Stick around until the end of the video to learn how to do this and more. Are you a youth who's been struggling to get a job? If yes, you should consider participating in Jojb Corps. The US Department of Labor introduced the free education and job training program to help support the youth. But how do you qualify for Jojb Corps? Let's go over the eligibility requirements. First, citizenship. You must be a US citizen. To prove this, you have to submit documents like a copy of your birth certificate, US passport, or social security card. You can also qualify if you're a resident of a US territory or an immigrant with authorization to work in the US from the Department of Homeland Security. Age requirements. You must be between 16 and 24 years old to qualify for Jojb Corps. Low income status. Additionally, you must be a low-income individual. If you're a parent of a dependent child applying for the program, you can qualify if you have a childcare plan. Barriers to employment or education. Lastly, people facing barriers to employment or education, such as a school dropout or homelessness, may be eligible for Jojb Corps. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and until next time.